Hello students, welcome to the class. It's our GK class. Today we will learn chapter number 44 and chapter number 45. Chapter number 44 which is water plants and chapter number 45 that is inventions and discoveries. Today we will cover these two chapters. First, chapter number 44, page number 59. This water plant has large leaves and beautiful flowers of various colors. Its flower is the national flower of India. You know that lotus is the national flower of India. You can see here. This free floating plant number 2. This free floating plant has delicate forked leaves on slender stem. It is a beneficial plant. This free floating plant is known as hornwort. 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 This plant. It is very beneficial. You can see the image here. It is a kind, number 3, it is a kind of algae that grows attached to the bottom of ponds, lakes and rivers. It is named for its garlic-like odor. Okay, so this algae you can see wherever there is a wet place, wetland or wet walls or wet place, you can see this algae. This is called musk green. It smells like garlic. This is called musk green. Okay. Whenever there is a wetland or wet place, it grows there. Number 4, this partially submerged water plant is beneficial for the water body in which it grows. It gets its name from the feather-like leaves that are arranged around the stem in whorls of 4 to 6. Number 4. So you can see the image here. This got its names because of its feather-like leaves. So it is called parrot feather. This plant is called parrot feather. Number 5. This water plant has many varieties. The white flower of a tropical variety is the national flower of Bangladesh. Our national flower is lotus, and this flower also looks similar to lotus. This is water lily. Okay. Number 6. It is the smallest flowering plant. It grows floating in still or also in moving water. You can see where there is still water, or you can say sometimes in moving water also. There is a green layer of 3 leaves, like a plant which have only 3 leaves in it. You can see the image here. This is called duckweed. It is a very small plant and it has the smallest flower. Number 7, this marginal water plant produces edible tubers. It is one of the traditional staple food crops of the Pacific group of island. That means this plant, you can see the image here, this plant, and this is the plant and this is the root of it. That means this is the, you can say, fruit also. It is the staple food of Pacific group of islands. They are those people's staple food. It is called taro. Okay, it is called taro. Number 8, this floating plant has thick light green leaves that can be eaten. It is capable of forming dense mats on the surface of the water bodies. Number 8, it is water lettuce. Looks because we can eat it. It is edible. That's why it names lettuce. We eat the lettuce leaves, and this is water lettuce. You can see the image here. Number 9, this water plant has white flowers and nut-like edible fruits with typically 4 sharp barbed spines. You have eaten this in summer season many times. You can see that in the market also. This is called water chestnut. You can see the image here. You have eaten this. Next, number 10. It is one of the worst weeds in the water world, introduced in India from South America for the beauty of its purple flower. It soon clogged the ponds and canals. It is the worst kind of water plant. It clogged the ponds and the canals, but it is famous for its purple flower. This is called water hyacinth. I hope you understand this page. Now, chapter number 45, that is inventions and discoveries. The Scottish engineer John Logie Baird, who discovered the early form of TV in 1920s and 1930s. This system used lenses set into revolving disc. He also invented an early video recording device also. Now, option A and option B. Option B, you have to write the names, and option A, you have to just match these words. So, you will match by writing the numbers on the right side. Okay, right side of the options. So, first, aeroplane. Aeroplane was invented by two brothers, that is Oliver and Wilbur Wright. That is called Wright brothers, Oliver Wright and Wilbur Wright. Next, diesel engine. It is invented and discovered by, the name is also Rodolph Diesel. Rodolph Diesel. So number 3, elevator. It is invented and or you can say discovered by Elsa Ois. T will be silent, Elsa Ois. Number 4, telephone. Telephone, you know that Graham Bell, or you can see that Sir Alexander Graham Bell, who invented telephone. Number 5, printing press. That is Johann Gutenberg, who invented or discovered printing press. Fountain pen. That is Lewis Waterman. Waterman is invented fountain pen. Number 7, electric battery. Electric battery was invented by Alessandro Volta. Alessandro Volta. Number 8, that is bicycle. Bicycle was invented by Kirkpatrick Macmillan. Kirkpatrick Macmillan. Or you can easily remember that Macmillan. Electric lamp was invented by Thomas Alva Edison. You have a very beautiful stories in your moral science book regarding Alva Edison. And mercury thermometer, or you can say the Fahrenheit thermometer, it is invented by Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit. Okay, Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit, or you can easily remember that DG Fahrenheit. Now option number B, you have to write the names. Law of gravitation discovered by Sir Isaac Newton. You have remembered that in his head there is an apple falls in his head, and after that he just thought why the apple falls only down, not it doesn't go upward. From there he discovered the law of gravitation. Theory of evolution, it is discovered by Charles Darwin. Principles of geometry discovered by Euclid. Laws of planetary motion. Laws of planetary motion was discovered by Johannes Kepler. Johannes Kepler. Number 5, theory of relativity was discovered by Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein. So page number 44 and 45 we just completed. You will read the page very carefully. You will write the names in the books. You don't need to send the books for checking, because I just told all the answers, so you don't have to check it. You will just watch the video and read the book very carefully. Thank you for watching.